torn, riding 100 miles is easy. It's really easy compared to the pain and struggles that cancer patients have had to endure during their treatment. So, I'd like to look at this evening as first a way to honor and remember some of those people that have passed from these horrible diseases, but I also look at it as a celebration of hope and recovery for the future. So, thank you. Let's be safe.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me, and the crowds would cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be. I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be strong, I'll know every mile will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Ooh. Down an unknown road to embrace my fate. Though that road it may wander, it will lead me to you. And 1,000 years would be worth the wait. It might take my whole lifetime, but somehow I'll see it through, and I won't look back. I can go the distance, and I'll stay on track. No, I won't accept defeat. It's an uphill slope, but I won't lose hope until I go the distance, and my journey is complete. Oh yeah. But to look beyond the glory is the hardest part. For a hero's strength is measured by his heart. Like a shooting star, I can go the distance. I will search the world. I will face its harms. I don't care how far. I can go the distance until I find my hero's welcome waiting in your arms. I will search the world, and I will face its harms until I find my hero's welcome waiting.